How to use cayenne pepper hot spice for weight loss. Hot spices such as cayenne pepper are beneficial in weight loss diets as they help the body to effectively burn excess fat. Cayenne pepper contains several chemical compounds that aid weight loss. For one, capsaicin, the major ingredient of the spice, has been found to benefit obese persons as it promotes fat expenditure in the body. Furthermore, other antioxidants present in cayenne pepper such as beta-carotene and lutein have been shown to have weight-burning properties. Adding cayenne pepper to the meal or consuming it as tea by mixing a teaspoon of the spice with hot water is a simple way to get rid of the excess fat. It might take a long period of time before any significant results are noticed. You can also take it in capsule form for quick action. You can add cayenne pepper to your diet in a few ways. You can cook with the pepper, but this may be difficult to do each day. You can also buy powdered cayenne pepper and add it to your water, smoothie, or protein shake. About 28 grams of fresh chili pepper or 1 gram of dried chili pepper can be enough to provide benefits. If you aren't a fan of the taste of cayenne, try adding it to dishes that are already flavorful. Add small amounts to curries, stews, chili, or Mexican food. Or include capsaicin as a supplement in your diet. Take either 30 to 120 mg capsules or 0.3 to 1 milliliter of liquid tincture 1 to 3 times per day. You can also make an infusion using up to 1 teaspoon of powdered cayenne pepper per cup of water. Take 1 teaspoon dose of this mixture in a small amount of water a few times per day. Both infusion and tincture could cause irritation to your eyes, nose, or throat. Always start with a small dose to see how your body reacts. You can get the capsule at your local health food store or Amazon.com. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below for more research-based home remedies and natural health tips.